Welcome to AOL CNC. This time I will show you how AOL 1625 cutting machine can efficiently and accurately cutting the acoustic panels materials. Acoustic panels are widely used in noise control, architecture, and interior direction. The materials to be cut today is acoustic panels, and the thickness is about 8 mm and the density is 25 kg square meter. This is AOL 1625 machine with 2 knife holders and a milling knife and a vacuum drawing table, and is suitable for composite and flexible materials. Before cutting, you need to use CAD to make the cutting drawings to DXF or PRT files. Pay attention to the layer between straight and V-cut. Cutting drawings are imported to machine's cutting system, and the path, V-cut angle, depth of cut, and corners parameters are adjusted to ensure that the graphic layout is reasonable. After setting the parameters on the software, tap on the touch screen of the machine. The machine simulates the cutting edge, and after confirming, it starts cutting. Straight blades are used for edge cuts. The V-cut blades create angled seams. The vacuum table keeps material firmly in place. Look, cutting is smooth and precise with clean edges. Finished panels are clean, smoke-free with tight V-cuts, perfect for acoustic wall or ceilings. If your material is too soft, you can try the round knife. If cut multi-layers, material should be limited fill. If it's too hard, we can cut into layers. If it have wrapped edges, we can use a plantain or limited film on the material. AOL CNC provides cost-effective cutting solutions to customers around the world. Please contact us.